Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Well, there are a lot of egg preparations that you already know of, and I'm certain that you recreate those time and again for your family and friends. This is one such recipe which is actually the gift of the Indian streets to the world. It's called Egg Mughlai. Well, it's quite a misnomer, there's nothing Mughlai about it, but let's see how it's made. Hey guys, it's the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar. Welcome to Get Curried. Well, there are various components of this recipe. There are actually 4 components. Let's begin with the first one, and that is making an absolutely simple omelette. For that, I'm taking a single egg. To this, I'm adding in some chopped onions. Along with this, some chopped tomatoes. And with this, some chilies. A little salt as required. For this, let's heat a pan. You can use a wok, you can use an iron griddle. Choice is absolutely yours. Well, on the street, actually, it's made on a large iron griddle and in batches. The first component, like I said, is the omelette. It moves on to a gravy. Then there's another gravy, which is also made by using egg whites and egg yolks, which are boiled. And finally, it has a sunny side up. How beautiful can it get, right? The first thing is adding in butter. Allow this to melt, allow this to heat. Once the butter is ready, I'll be adding in the mixture, which is your basic omelette. We need to give this a flip and cook this on the other side as well. Our first component is done and ready, and that is your basic omelette. Let's slide this straight into the serving plate, and in the same wok, let's begin the next component, and that is the gravy. For this, again, a heap of butter, followed by onions. Well, this is the gravy that's actually made in bulk and kept on the street, and you just keep adding in on top of every omelette and keep serving it portion by portion. Once this sautés nicely, I'm adding in some chilies. Once this turns slightly translucent, I'll be adding in the paste of garlic and sauté this for a minute or so till the raw flavor kind of goes away. Next goes in finely chopped tomatoes. And along with this, some spices. Absolutely basic, red chili powder, along with Garam Masala. Once all of this comes together and is cooked well, I'll be adding in some water and mashing this using a potato masher. To this mixture, let's add in salt as required, keeping in mind the fact that this is cooked entirely in butter and butter is salted. So please remember the fact. Just add in a touch of water to get the consistency correct. Mix this and allow this to cook on low flame till it's perfectly cooked and ready. In the interim, I'm going to bring this plate back here and slice an egg on top of this. Once the sliced egg is on top of the omelette, the next thing that goes in is this nice tomatoey gravy. In the same wok, let's make the third component, and that is the second gravy, which is made using only and only boiled eggs. Allow the butter to melt, and while that's happening, let's chop in an egg straight into the wok. Well, I've been doing this for years. You, of course, need to be absolutely safe, and you need to use a cutting board for doing this. To this, let's add in some salt as required. Again, considering the fact that this is cooked in butter. And with this, just to spike it up, I'm adding in 2 whole chilies, which are not really spicy, but have a lot of flavor. Toss this up well, and allow the eggs to cook nicely in butter. Keep mashing it so that the yolks turn nice and creamy. Let's add this right on top of the tomato gravy. And finally, in the same wok, goes the last and final component, and that is a sunny side up. For that, the remaining amount of butter goes in. The butter is heated up. Now goes in a whole egg. And along with this, yet again, just a touch of salt. The next step is to tilt the pan to one side and baste the sunny side up with the remainder of the scorching hot butter, which is now melted and almost hazelnut-like. With this, the sunny side up goes right on top of this, and your egg Mughlai is done and ready. Well, this in my opinion is the most lethal combination of eggs and butter, but the ones who love it are the ones who will love it. On that note, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to get curried.